Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's Fifi, and today I have a new kind of content I want to bring to you. It is a Boxy Charm subscription unboxing. So I'm gonna put that on my channel now, where I'm gonna do Boxy Charm unboxings. So if you like Boxy Charm unboxing, stick around, and without further ado, let me get right into the Boxy Charm unboxing. Okay, this is the Boxy Charm box. It's a monthly subscription box. You get 5 products, full-size products, with a choice of 1 more full-size product. The monthly box that I have is a basic box, and it's $27.99 a month. There are 2 more kinds of boxes you can get. You can get the premium box and you can get the luxe box. So I'm on a budget, always on a budget. Hopefully I won't be on a budget forever, but I chose the $27 box because I think that's enough to try out full-size products and not pay like full retail price for these items. If you like to try a variety of makeup, skincare, hair care products, body care, vitamins, they have it all in this subscription box. So I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna crack this box open right now so you can see what is in this month's box. Okay, so they always have a theme every month, and this month the theme is Be My Clementine. Isn't that cute? Be my Clementine instead of Valentine. I know y'all got it. Anyway, so let me show you what the box looks like inside. As you can see, it is packed full of products. So I'm going to get into the first product. The first product is the H Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. Okay, let me find that. Okay, here it is. This is what the box looks like. It already looks pretty, right? Okay, let me see. Take my time, crack this open. Okay. Ooh, look at the colors, y'all. These are some pretty colors, highlight colors. So, I like to highlight my nose, so I'll pick out one of these shades. Let me see which one. No, I don't think I'll pick it out right now. I'll use this at another time, just in case I decide to give these products away. Okay, so the next thing, oh, this by the way was a $40 value for this highlight palette. So that paid for the whole box by itself and some left over. Okay, the next product in here is the green tea detox mask. Here it is. Yep. So I need this because my skin has been having some issues lately. You know, I'm just getting over some illness, and I think this is going to help me get detox my skin, even though I take care of my skin and everything, you know, basic stuff, wash my face and put on my moisturizer and stuff like that. I think I need a kind of mask, specialized mask like this, and this came just in time. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it, and that retails for $29.99. Okay, so the next thing in the box is an eyeshadow palette. And the name of this is the Wondrous Escape palette. Okay, let me crack it open. And I could always use like eyeshadow palettes because I'm just getting into makeup. Even though it might look like I've been doing makeup for a minute, I really am not a makeup person. I'm experimenting now, and I'm trying to get better at doing makeup. So, you know, y'all could come along with me and learn right along with me. I am a beginner. Okay, so you can learn how to do makeup too. So anyway, this palette right here, let me see. Ooh, look at these pretty colors in this palette. These are gorgeous. They're mostly neutral palette colors, and I like that because I'm not ready to get into like the deep, dark. I don't know what I'm doing, so I did try to do a little bit of something on my eyes today. And I don't usually wear eyeshadow or anything, but I just try to experiment, and I'm going to be practicing with this palette also. And the retail value on this palette is $42. You see why I say that these boxes are worth it? Because I would not be able to afford any of these products in here. So I figured at $30 that I paid for this box and the other boxes, it's well worth it. Okay, so the next product is a setting spray. Setting spray for your makeup, and the name of it is Hydra Setting Spray. Okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, that is a full-size bottle. And I don't usually use setting spray, but I'm going to start with this one and see how that works for me. Because I do see, like others who do makeup and tutorials and stuff, they always spray their face with setting spray. And I guess it makes your makeup last longer or last all day. I don't even know. But I am going to start using this, and I'll let you guys know how this works. And if it's worth buying it. I mean, I don't know. Okay, so the last product in the box is called Bali Balm. And this is a pineapple lip scrub, y'all. Now, I really need this because my lips are dry. They get chapped. And, you know, you get that. Well, I get that extra skin on my lips sometimes, and I need something to get it off. Sometimes I bite it off, but that's not a good thing to do. So this scrub, everything in here so far, I like, and I'm going to be using Oh, woo, it smells just like pineapple. It smells so good, and it's kind of thick. I'm going to see how this works also. And this product retails for $23. You can't beat it, you know? So anyway, those are the products that came in this Boxy Charm box. And I do believe that it is well worth it. And I've been subscribed to Boxy Charm for like 8 months. Or more. It's probably like going on a year now. But since I was sick like 6 months, I didn't get a chance to review the boxes. But this is probably going to be something that I'm going to be doing from now on. I'll see. And if you guys like it, let me know. And I'll continue to do the review on these boxes because I really think it's a great value. Anyway, if you like this video and you got anything out of it, please subscribe, join the family. I'd love to have you here. And I thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye guys. Lovelies. See you in the next video.